I am a woman, a sister to many, mother to all. I have been revered in the past as a well of wisdom, a bridge between worlds of birth and death. I live. A friend to the moon and a lover of the cosmos. I am. Birthed in the image of the great primordial mother, birther of creation. The time of the feminine lunar era is upon us again, the revival from its 5,000 years of darkness. I am a woman, and yet in this darkness we have been told we are filthy, too sexual, too sensual, too problematic, forced to carry the sin of humanity, eating the apple after all, causing the damnation of us all. I am a woman. Yes, society has not deemed me equal, yet I see another world, one in which there are no wars, and no woman is left to carry the burden. A world where little girls are celebrated rather than discarded. A world where women are cherished as holy and sacred, rather than abused, neglected, oppressed. I am a woman. My world is full of kindness, love, and community for all. No isolation, no competition between me and you. There is plenty. I do not have to be afraid or feel ashamed, for no one is blaming me or judging me. My body safe from harm. I walk safely amongst my sisters, and my brothers respect me, knowing there is no provoking dogma that persecutes me. I am encouraged, supported, and valued as an essential being of creation, no more, no less than you. I am a woman. I stand on the shoulders of those that have battled before me. My heart breaks with the pain they have endured, for they have lived in that other world of patriarchy, persecution, and misogyny, the world where women have no voice, where their very bodies objects of exploitation. I am a woman, living in both worlds, every day, breaking through the invisible walls of torture, still present in your world. I am free, your narrative no longer living in me. Fears do not keep me from speaking my truth, the unspoken, the taboo, and the cruelty witnessed. For every woman has a right to be safe in her body, to express freely, to live at peace in her world. And to the hundreds of thousands that have already died at your hands, or through the mobs that you have emboldened, being called witches or demons or evil ones, do you realize all of humanity has been birthed through a woman? I am a woman. We have lived at your mercy, begging for salvation, yet this has been no living at all. Some deaths are worth dying for there is no living without our whole selves. This is a death sentence far greater than you could have ever imposed upon us. I am a woman, a bridge from the past to the future, living in the present, breaking down the worlds within me and within you. No longer room for their existence. We are the new generation of women reclaiming a place that has been forgotten, a secret that has been hidden, a sacredness that has been malevolently obscured. Speaking here for all before me. I am a woman, healing, holy yet radical, mystical yet ordinary, vulnerable yet fierce, magical yet mundane, sacred yet resilient, ecstatic yet sensitive, wild yet peaceful, passionate, worthy, unapologetic. Blessed be.